This video will cover a brief review of the config tab in Zesty.io. So first, when we log in, we land on this page, or once we're in the content manager, we land in this page, and then if we click config, we end up on this page. So from this page, you can create a single page, which will show up under this heading pages, which are just one-off single pages. We can also do a set of grouped pages. For example, blog posts, team members, services. You can see my page groups here. And you can do a set of content entries. A good example of this would be like tags for a blog, and you can see these set of content entries, which we also call data sets, down here at the bottom. So I have sets of photos, sets of videos, so I can use them in different places. For example, if you're a business, hours of operation might be a data set as well. To create these sets, you would just click create a new set, which shows up in the corner, give it a name, and then you would select the parent if you want it to be parented, and if not, you just select top level page and click create dataset. And you can see the notification that it was successfully created up here, and now I am in the dataset, and I can add different fields. I'm going to add one called title, and I'm going to add one called image, and I'm going to add another one for, this is a sort field called sort order. And say I want to add WYSIWYG, I can use this these directional arrows here to change the order of my fields. This order is the order that they will appear in under the content tab. And you can see once I jump to edit content using this jump link right here, this is the content, and I can click add new, and I can add my content in here. Let's go back to config and look at this again. Say I made a mistake and I no longer want to have a WYSIWYG field. I can click WYSIWYG, and then I can click deactivate, and I have this prompt asking me if I'm sure, and notice that the content will no longer be available in your content editors, and if you have any JSON requests, they'll return null. And I can click yes, deactivate it. So you can see it's grayed out at the bottom now. And if I want to reactivate it, I would click this icon right here in at the end of the sidebar, or at the end of the entry, and then I can click yes, reactivate it. even though this video just showed how to add fields to a dataset, I can click config here and go back to the main page, and the process for creating a set of grouped pages or page group, or a set of single pages, all of these single pages here, is exactly the same. This has been a brief overview of the config tab.